Good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening, very good evening to all of you. This is Vaishali from Spark Academy. Yes, can I have some quick comments, please, if you can hear and see the screen, if you can hear my voice and see the screen. Just a second, everyone. Yes, everyone. So, yes, how many days left? And you might be knowing you all. I hope you all are aware that NEET date is out already. NEET 2023 date is out right now, so it's 7th May. The date 7th May will decide how will the paper will be and how you can score and how you can. I mean, so it is your. We can say it's a diverging point or the diverging point of your life will your life will enter into the which track that will decide after 7th May. Yes, guys. So 7th May till 7th May, you have time. So how many days left today? From if we start from today, then it is around 129 days left. 129 days. After 129 days, you will be facing the most awaited exam, that is NEET 2023. So I'm waiting for all of you to join quickly, and yes, so that we can start off the session. So this is a very important session to decide how you can prepare, how you can prepare in these 4 months for NEET. So that will plan accordingly how the complete strategy, complete plan of the preparation that we are going to discuss right now. So yes, can I have hi, hello, warm welcome? Yes, everyone, I'm welcoming you all of you from Spark Academy. This is Vaishali Kamdar, and today we are going to discuss 4 months preparation plan for NEET. So I hope you can hear my voice and see the screen properly. Yes, may I have some quick comments, please? So before starting the topic, starting all this hypertension type or BP increase करने वाला topic, so that before that, let me tell you, yes, for concept tips and tricks for previous year MCQs with solutions, and you can follow us on all for all these things, or even you can join Spark Academy. So for whatever is your query, you can follow us on sparkacademyonline.com, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, anywhere you want to follow us, you can follow for more updates and tricks and tips. So I am normally recording reels. I am normally posting reels based on quick tricks and tips on Instagram also. So you can follow us on any of the social media or any of the thing you want to. Okay. So now let me introduce you with my team. So this is, I mean, the physics, maths, and biology for, yes, I am the mentor and the tutor of biology, complete biology I'm handling. So daily the live classes we are conducting in session, doubt clarification is also there, free materials we are providing, and tips and tricks for MSET, J as well as NEET. So admissions are open right now, so you can contact on the number flashing on your screen, a yellow line number. That number flashing on your screen, you can contact on that number and for admission for short-term crash course as well as regular. So normally you can find all this YouTube session on our channel. So for that you need to follow us. That is, you can see the logo over here. That is Spark Academy logo, blue color logo. So yes, you can check this logo in YouTube channel and you can subscribe to our channel. So for more updates and for all the tips, tricks as well as detailed study, detailed lectures, is there all lectures of biology are also available in our YouTube channel. So today our topic is 4 months preparation plan for NEET biology. So yes, weightage, if we look into the weightage part of unit wise weightage or chapter wise weightage, this is what diversity unit 1. Unit 1 diversity in living, what this is, though it's very set in name, species, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, all these things are there. So this is another very important unit, a very important unit for NEET point of view. So yes, from plant kingdom and from one question only. So all in average, you can expect around 9 to 10 questions from diversity in living world. So 9 to 10 questions multiplied by 4. So yes, that will that means it will give you, see, these are average number of questions asked from NEET from every year. This is a analysis of the past few years, and this is how average number of questions we have decided. Yes, everyone. Next important unit. See, I will include it in this PDF how these based on along with that. Yes, plant physiology is obviously it is also very important. So human physiology, long unit, but still you can expect. See here, locomotion and movement. It is I think from for NDA it is most favorite chapter. So and chemical coordination and body fluid and circulation also. So then these plant physiology, you can expect from respiration as well as photosynthesis around 2 to 3 questions. So I'll share this complete PDF in our Telegram channel as well as in description box also. So now strategy and planning of complete strategy and planning, how you can complete the strategy and how you can plan out for NEET purpose. Okay, see how many days left. If we calculate from today itself, then 129 days. So these are the day countdown should be started now. Your BP should. I mean, I know you after looking into the decision of NDA. This when date is out and it was declared that 7th May is deciding or most important day for you. So that is your NEET date. So after that, might be you will not get sleep on that day, and yes, you will be little bit hyper. You will be getting hypertension. Your BP will increase. All these things will happen. Okay, it's okay. This is natural thing. It's okay. I mean, there will be butterflies running in your stomach also. That how we will plan. But trust me, stay tuned with me right now. Next 45 minutes, we'll be discussing how you are going to plan after, in these 4 months. So I know 129 days, and that also we are not counting this last few days, 4-5 days. So 29 days will be not calculating because we are keeping it as buffer. Buffer not, I am talking about not buffer for the celebration New Year and 31st night will be celebrating, and all this celebration will be going on Holi and Sankranti and all these festivals. I know India is full of festival. So these buffer days I'm giving you, not for all these things, guys. So you need to stay away from all the social media as well as social activities. Yes, can I have some quick comments who are agreeing with this point? Who will keep themselves away from all the social activities as well as social media now onwards? Yes, thumbs up at least I want from your side. Come on, quick guys. I can see how many of you are supporting my supporting me so that we can plan accordingly. Yes, if you are celebrating birthdays and marriages and all the parties, then I can't help you. This is nothing like a magic. We'll be not discussing any magic in this 45 minutes. Magic is only in magic show. We all know that that magic also in magic show, it is also some scientific tricks. So how can we expect magic in our real life? Yes, I can see many of you have joined. Many of you have joined the session, but no one is. No one is. Yes, yes. Now someone has started giving thumbs up. Yes, I want thumbs up from all of you. So I can see how many of you have joined and how many of you are with me in this race. Yes, Razana is with me. Yes, Razana, I got your thumbs up. What are you waiting for, guys? Just see thumbs up. At least in chat you can post this thumbs up. That doesn't mean that chalo ma'am bol rahe hain and we will post in thumbs up. What happened in that case if we will not follow this schedule? I don't want, see, it is just a preparative plan from my side I am giving you. You can change your plan, but in changing the plan, you are I mean, I want you to stick to the particular thing. That is, particular thing is your NEET 2023. That means they doesn't want to see those who are preparing right now for 2023, and they'll, I am sure how they'll get good score after this, so they will not see that they do not need to face 2024 NEET. I don't want any of my student to take any drop in between now for next year. So those who are preparing for 2024, like that, it's not like that. See, 1 year you have already, some droppers are there, some are giving NEET for the first time. Then why we are thinking that first time we can't score good and anyhow will be taking drop next year? First timers also can score good and they can also crack NEET with good score. Yes, Sandy. Razana, Sandy, I'm getting thumbs up from people now. So yes, how you will plan? First thing, you should keep yourself away from all these parties and all these celebrations and whatever social activities is going on. Activities are going on in your family. Okay, keep yourself away at least for these 4 months from all the family functions, as well as some marriages and all birthday parties and everything. Yes, New Year 2023, an upcoming year. I want all of you with stethoscope and white apron and wearing. I can see all of you that you have stethoscope, I mean, in your neck, and you have got a crack meet with good score, and this is how you have got a good seat in some good colleges. So one of the most important things here we need to discuss, that is biology. Okay, you know, 50% of the weightage NEET paper, it is around, paper of NEET, it will be your 720 mark paper. So 720, out of 720 marks, so 360 mark, it is this 360 mark is of biology. Yes, so people are there who are getting 360 out of 360. See, some of my students, they keep on asking me that, ma'am, we know biology very well, but our physics or our chemistry is weak. Physics is our weak point. We can't, I mean, it is numerical based questions they are asking mostly, concept based questions they are asking. So, and whatever difficulties you are facing in physics as well as chemistry, they are asking a lot of time that biology is strong. So, can we focus just on physics and chemistry? No, not at all. No, 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 not at all. You need to focus on biology also, yes, as well as I am discussing here how you can focus on chemistry as well as physics. See, guys, if you get 360 out of 360 in biology, then only we can say that 100% you're thorough with your biology. Still, you need to revise frequently. Frequent revision is required. How you can show that you have done your 100% in the particular chapter? It's the chapter is completely completed. See, completed from my side, it is I am just discussing concept and some PYQs. So that is completion from 100% completed from my side. But what about you guys? So this is how you can make a table here. This is how you can make a table. Okay, make a table in which you are noting down all 100% completed chapters from biology. How many chapters are there? Yes, Razana, can you tell me how many total, how many chapters are there in complete biology? I know biology is divided into two parts, zoology and botany, but we consider biology as a complete aggregated subject right now. So complete on the whole, first year and second year altogether, how many total chapters are there? Yes. Can I have some quick comment on this? Waiting for your answer. So at least I should know that you are knowing how many chapters you need to do in these 4 years, 4 months, sorry. Yes, Razana. Total how many chapters? Sandy. I know a lot of people has joined the class. I can see that numbers, those numbers here. But no one is interacting with me in chat section. Yes, correct, Sandy. 38 chapters altogether, 38 chapters, and 11th standard contains more number of chapters compared to 12th one. So right now, this is the time you need to focus on 12th chapters. Okay. So here first, so you need to note down all the chapters which you have completed. Start 100% completed. How you know that you have completed 100%? Start. Analyze yourself. Start giving mock tests. Start solving questions, PYQs, and NCRT exemplar questions. NCRT based question if you have revised a particular chapter at least 5 times. At least 5 times. Then it is 100%. It might be 100% done. Correct, Rosanna. First year 22 chapters and second year 16 chapters. Okay, so we can say 6 chapters are more in case of second year syllabus. Sorry, first year syllabus. So this is how we see. According to pattern of NDA, sometimes they are not following the pattern also, but yes, most probably 45% it comes from second year syllabus and 55% from first year syllabus. So they have divided the syllabus likely, or they have divided the paper in such a way that it should be 55% from first year syllabus and 45% from second year syllabus. See, we are planning right now that 360 marks. You can secure complete 360 marks. See, whether you are getting 1 or 2 marks or 3-4 marks less in chemistry or physics, it is not you are deciding. Biology will help you in selection. Biology will help you in selection. Even rank will be decided on the basis of your marks of biology. I know total marks will be, if you are getting 700 marks, if you are getting score of 700, then who is the what will be deciding? The rank. So rank will be decided on the basis of your marks scored in out of these 360. Yes, everyone. So it's only, it is not only complete score. Along with that, you whatever marks you are getting only in biology, it is also very important. See, for example, if you are getting 360 out of 360, then yes, then the next point is your chemistry and physics marks. Okay, guys. So, see, now we are preparing, we are planning in such a way that you at least get 360 out of 360 in biology. So first you are making this type of table, write all the names of 38 chapters and then how many chapters you have completed 100% and how many you have not completed yet. It's okay if you get a bigger list in not completed one. Okay, 100% living world ho gaya. That doesn't mean living world we have read 2, 3 times, 5 times and it is 100% completed. It's not like that. This is not how you can check yourself. Just solve the questions again. When you are solving the questions, when you are getting good score or when you are getting correct options, then it is 100% completed. But right now we are not supposed to check on complete all the chapters. But if you are unsure that this chapter it's not 100%, write down all the chapters in case of non-completed one. Okay, it's okay. These 4 months are enough to secure 360 out of 360. Yes, everyone. 360 out of 360 you can secure if you have still you have not touched biology also. So I am with you. We will be solving complete. I mean, I concept wise, I'll make that sure. Make sure that your concept should be clear. Okay. So this is how 360 out of 360 you can score. And yes, our target is 720 marks. So whatever is your target, see in previous video I have explained you that how you can decide your daily targets. I hope all of you are following that uh, daily schedule and daily targets also. I hope all of you are getting daily achieving your daily target which you have only decided. Yes, next point. See if I ask you to plan daily. So this is your daily. This should be your daily routine. This is according to me. According to me. Okay, you can change a little bit, but most probably if you follow this schedule, then it will help you a lot. So what is the schedule? So look into this, guys. I know it's winter time, and right now in Hyderabad we are getting little. It is becoming little chilling, and all over India, all the students who are looking, who are live right now. Yes, morning, waking up in morning, early morning. It's see early morning. I'm not asking you to wake up at 4 o'clock. Okay, and then you'll feel completely dizzy and completely sleepy throughout the day. That's I don't want you to. I want you to be active throughout the day. You can't afford this type of any dizziness and any type of sleepy condition in between in throughout your day. Okay, so now this should be your morning, I mean your daily schedule. So you should wake up at 6 o'clock. I'm not asking you to waking up at 4 o'clock, guys. So mind this point. Okay, this is not called as early morning. This is a proper morning. Normally, normal people can understand and they can wake up at 6 o'clock. Right? So 6 o'clock, if you wake up, then complete your daily routine by 6:30. Brush your teeth and everything and complete it by 6:30. So start reading from 6:30 to 8:30. At least you should get 4 hours daily for self-study. 4 hours daily for self-study. So I know you are, I mean, 10 to 5, you will be taking classes. Okay. You will be going to some coaching centers, some institutes. So around 10 to 5, I'm keeping you occupied in classes itself. Okay. So that's why other than this 10 to 5 time, you should get at least 4 hours for your self-study. So in that first 2 hours you are getting at 6:30 to 8:30. That is your study hours. So study hours here. So most probably I ask my students to have, I mean, to learn biology, to read biology in this particular time. So read bio in this time. Why? Because it's morning time. You see, it's human psychology, or I don't know, that whatever you see, and it's peaceful time. Morning 6:30 to 8:30. Nobody will disturb you. No guest will come, and it is peaceful time for yourself only. So 6:30 to 8:30 you can read biology, but how you will be reading in the study hour? Yes, two chapters. Two chapters from 12th and one chapter from 11th. Two chapter from 12th and one chapter from 11th. Okay? So decide which chapter you want to read. Read that doesn't mean read just reading once, just like how you are reading newspaper and you are not reading it thoroughly. So reading means learn properly. First chapter, if you have completed from NCERT, just look into the NCERT properly with diagram, everything, all the names of scientists, even comma and full stops are also important from NCERT, guys. Yes, read it thoroughly from NCRT. For example, you have started Plant Kingdom, then read it completely. Look into the diagrams of all the algae, bryophytes, gami, liverworts, amosas, whatever diagrams are given, whatever examples are given, and diagrams below the diagrams, some descriptions are there. So and labeling also, diagram-based questions are asked. Labeling also they are asking sometimes ABCD करके label करने आप पूछ देंगे. So this is how they are asking questions. So this is why it's very important. So read thoroughly. 2 hours are enough to read at least 2 chapters or 3 chapters, guys. And at the time only look into your quick notebooks which you have already prepared, and if not prepared, then you should prepare it right now. Okay, so read it from NCRT right now. I'm not giving you any other materials or any other reference book to read right now. Okay, yes, you can keep one reference book with you. Along with that, you can keep 33 years PYQs material. Along with that, you might have one. But other than that, you don't require any different types of lot of number of from Oswald and from this and from that and from that author. So all different types of authors, reference books from all different authors you don't require at this point, guys. So pick any one reference book and NCRT exemplar, or you can find this exemplar in your study material, then well and good. Okay. Then what you will be doing, see, right now you're not going to you will be not supposed to, I mean, you are not supposed to solve MCQs right now. 6:30 to 8:30 you are learning thoroughly and you are writing quick notes of it. Okay, if you get time you can write quick notes of it. Yes, is that okay, guys? So 6:30 to 8:30, 2 hours enough for biology as of now. So then 8:30 to 9 breakfast time. 9:30 to 9 to 9:30, I'm giving you time to plan out your complete schedule of a particular day. Say for example, today is Thursday. Then you can plan from Friday. You can start this. Okay. So from Friday you can start this following the schedule, and 9 to 9:30 it is not waste of time, half an hour wasting. Why we are wasting and planning only? But this planning will help you a lot, and you should stick to your own planning. 9:30 you might be leaving for your classes, then 10 to 5 you might be having classes. So in during the classes also you might get study hour. In this study hour, try to solve all the questions which you have from the chapters which you have completed in morning time. Yes, so 6:30 to 8:30, whatever you have read and whatever you have learned, start solving questions from that. If you get time in 10 to 5, around I know you will be getting 1 hour study hour, at least 1 hour study time in during this period also. Continuously, they are not keep on teaching you 10 to 5. Yes, so next after 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 I'm giving you buffer time and break time to have snack, or you can say yes, to reach out your home and all these things for transportation and everything. Then 6 to 8 again your study hour, 1 hour for chemistry here and 1 hour for physics. So decide your difficult points. Chemistry 1 hour and physics 1 hour. See how NDA has decided, I mean, how they have planned NEET paper. This is how we are also dividing our 4 hours. 50% we should give time to biology and 25% to chemistry and physics. Yes, everyone. So 6 to 8 you can have time for other subjects, and 8 to 9 I'll see 1 hour you can't spend your time in dinner also. Yes, still I am giving you time for relaxation, that is also required. Do some meditation at least for 5 minutes. Do some pranayam for 5 minutes to relax your mind, to keep yourself calm, that nothing will happen, everything will be good. Keep yourself with positive vibes and all positive persons, and keep yourself away from those who are talking negative things. Yes, And those, I know sometimes we get this type of people and these type of negative vibes. So see, that's why I'm telling you to keep yourself away from people right now. Keep yourself away from these type of functions. And when you are going to all attend all these functions, ultimately you will be getting negative vibes or negative thought that I have wasted my one day. So this type of thought should not come, and I don't want to regret afterwards. Yes, everyone. So this is how 9 till 9 o'clock, 8 to 9, you can finish your dinner and you can relax yourself. And in that, you can even practice whatever is your hobby. See, hobby doesn't mean my hobby is scrolling up in phone. So that should not be your hobby, guys. It is wasting of time only. It will not relax your mind. Otherwise, other than that, it will make your mind more or make your brain more clumsy. And sometimes what happens after 9 o'clock, also after 1 hour, also you'll feel, let's see for one more, let's see for 5 minutes more, let's see for 5, 10 minutes more. So it's see, some screen time, you should avoid screen time during this time. Yes, guys, next 9 to 10:30. So 9 to 10:30, this is 1.5 hour time. In this, you will be revising what you have done today itself. And if anything is pending, PYQs or anything is pending, then you can complete it. And revision of 3 chapters which you have completed from biology and whatever you have completed from physics and chemistry. At least revise biology in 9 to 10:30 time, guys. Because biology is theory-based subject, so in that you don't need to solve a numerical type thing. So you need to keep a continuous touch of this particular whatever you have gone through. Yes, and 10:30 is the right time to sleep, guys. Then only you can wake up active. Without feeling any sleepy or dizziness at 6 o'clock in the morning. If you sleep by 12 o'clock, 12:30, so late nights I'll be reading. I don't find good time of reading at morning schedule. Trust me, morning time is best time for preparation for studying. It will take 4-5 days. See, that's why I'm taking class. I am taking this session today itself. Today, you can have this 4 months from first of January. Okay, so today is 29th only. So 29th, 30th, 31st, 3 days you have if you are not celebrating on 31st night. So 3 days you can practice this morning schedule, and trust me, it will help you a lot. Yes, you guys clear with all, complete this daily schedule. Then we'll move ahead. All of you, Razana, Niharika, Sandy. So should I start next? Should I go to see? This is our 129 days left. Now countdown should begin. And 29 days I'm giving you buffer for revision, guys. See, one day you'll require after 1 week or 15 days for revision. This buffer I'm not giving you to celebrate 31st, to celebrate New Year, to celebrate Sankranti or any other festivals. Holi, Sankranti, everything will come. Yes, so this buffer days are for sometimes you feel sick, sometimes for some emergencies, and most probably for revision. I am giving you these 29 days of buffer. Okay, not for celebration, guys. Not at all for celebrations. Then 100-day study plan. You can plan how you can plan in a see. This is what planning you need to do. Daily planning. You are doing which chapter you will be reading in which time. So in this, whatever we have discussed here, na, that 9 to 9:30, you are planning your whole day. So in this whole day, you are planning in such a way that which chapter you are going to read and in which time you are getting, in what time you will be getting free 5 minutes or free 10 minutes. In these 10 minutes, you will be utilizing for what? So now each and every minute is important, guys. Still, I am giving you time. See, this is not a complete a hectic schedule. I am not giving you that, yes, you need to read till 12 o'clock and again you need to wake up at 3 o'clock or whole night you need to study. No, you need rest, proper rest. Also, you should keep yourself calm. Also, you should, If health is there, you should be healthy, stay healthy till 7th May at least. So biology daily 2 hours minimum from your 4 hours preparation time. In that, 2 chapters from 12th syllabus and 1 chapter from 11th. Daily revision is required for these 3 chapters. So then again you will be revising all these 3 chapters after 15 days also. Okay, you should touch all these all those chapters which you have completed in 15 days. So again after 15 days or 1 week you will be needing you will be need 1 day for revision. So I suggest you to keep Sunday as a day of revision. Okay. So Monday to Saturday you will be learning, on Monday to Friday 5 days, when you will be completely focusing daily 5 days, three chapters of 15 chapters should be done in 5 days of a week. Then next 2 days you will be revising only which you have completed in these 5 days. Yes guys, so only last 2 days for revision itself. So revision does not, I mean, you should not take much time in revising. Do revision from NCERT, as well as sometimes you are using mind maps present in your study materials or some reference books, all these things. Yes, but I suggest you to revise it from, see, it will take hardly 10 minutes if you read, or hardly 15 minutes if you read from NCERT itself. Because NCERT is your Bhagavad Gita, is your Bible, it's your Quran, whatever is your holy book, it's just like that for NEET. Yes, guys. So that's why I suggest you to revise after every 5 days. At least if you are not revising after 5 days, every weekly revision you are not doing, then 15 days will be bigger, longer time. Then you need to revise a lot of things after 15 days. So you will require more time. So I'll suggest instead that you should revise not after 15 days, but after every 5 days. Yes, guys. See, if you can see right now, if your speed is slow and if your concepts are not clear, then you can follow. Instead, what you can decide that 1 chapter from 12th, and if your 11th has been, it should be completed, then 2 chapters from 11th. So this you can interchange. This thing you can interchange. Lot of time we are taking, I mean, we need to study, we are studying 11th, concepts of 11th, but 12th concepts are relatively new, and you are getting little bit less number of chapters in case of 12th. So that's why I planned the 2 chapters from 12th and 1 chapter from 11th. Yes guys, so total number of chapters 38, you all know that. So 22 from first year and 16 from second year. So here I have given you, see, these are some, I know you will say that ma'am, you have not left any of the unit behind. You have written all these things important. Yes, everything, you can't skip anything from NCERT. Even the introduction page just before your unit, starting of the unit also, it is also important. You can't skip anything from NCERT, not even a single stop. Sometimes they'll trap you in these type of simple sentences only. So that's why, but still I'm giving you certain important units here. So first unit from first year syllabus, diversity in living world, it is also important unit. From that you can expect around 12 questions, most probably from this unit. If you can expect questions from plant kingdom and animal kingdom. As well as biological classification also, you can expect 2 questions from that also. The next important unit is the cell. The cell, in that from last 2 years, at least 5 questions, around 5 questions are asked from only biomolecules. Along with biomolecules, the second cell cycle and cell division. And cell division also important. Easy peasy, short and sweet, and still scoring you need. Yes, guys, this is just like maths only. You can score complete 360 out of 360. So believe me, if you follow your schedule, if you follow this strategy, if you revise completely weekly revision, you are doing 15 days revision, you are doing monthly revision, you are doing, and if you are revising and keep on revising the thing, keep on revising it from NCRT itself, then trust me, you can score 360 out of 360. Then next unit is unit 4, plant physiology. From plant physiology, photosynthesis, respiration, and phytohormones, or last plant growth and development, is these three are very important chapters. You can at least expect three or two questions from these three chapters. Yes, then human physiology in that important chapter is locomotion and movement and chemical coordination also. Yes, along with that, body fluids are also important. Body fluids and circulation. So that this is also important chapter. Important chapter I am giving you based on. Yes, Sandy. Yes. But along with that, yes, if see, after how you will know that you have done 100% from your NCRT, 100% of this chapter, try solving NCRT based question first, NCRT examiner first. Then you can check yourself where you are standing. Then sometimes if they will try to trap you in some conceptual or some difficult type of questions, then you can solve it. Yes, Sandy, sometimes we require certain other things also to discuss other than NCRT, like in case of morphology of flowering plants, sometimes they'll ask on special type of inflorescence, but it is very rare. Right now, NDA is giving focus, they are focusing mostly on NCRT. You might feel that in 33 years papers, PYQs, you might get this type of questions which are not from NCRT. Yes, it was there, but now they have decided it should be completely from NCRT. But sometimes they'll give you conceptual questions, so you should solve that. Yes. So next, see this important chapters I am giving you on analyzing last few years, 10 years chapters. You should have 10 years question papers with you also. What should you have? 33 years you should solve PYQs, 33 years PYQs. You should have NCERT exemplar. And the third thing is 10 years last 10 years question papers. Okay. Then from second year syllabus, first important unit is reproduction. In that is reproduction in plants, sexual reproduction in plants, and human reproduction also. Okay, human reproduction is most important chapter, as well as sexual reproduction in plants also, but around 3 questions you are getting from plants and around 4 to 5 questions sometimes you are getting from human reproduction. Then genetics and evolution, very important chapter you need from second year syllabus. 2 chapters of genetics and 1 chapter of evolution. 3 chapters short but very tricky, and yes, sometimes you might not get this type of crosses of Mendelian crosses if your concepts are not clear. So yes, you will require certain guidance for concept clearance of genetics as well as evolution. So don't worry, I am there for you, and I'll be discussing genetics and evolution shortly with you guys. So then next important unit is biotechnology, especially in that processes. First chapter of biotechnology. Two chapters are there. DNA technology, genetic engineering, GMOs. So process related part is very important from biotechnology. Application part. Yes, good evening those who have joined late. Can you write your name please? So biotechnology in that processes is very important. Processes is very important chapter. Then ecology, obviously I know you will find it's a dead topic. It's a dead subject. Yes, still from that also from last 2 years you can find a lot of questions. They are asking around 2 to 3 questions from each chapter. Okay. Other than that, microbes and human welfare and all these type of human animal improvement and plant improvement while unit it is little bit average unit you can see. Say if you I mean complete NCRT anyhow we need to do na, but these five I'm giving you these four as well as here 1 2 3 4 units here and 4 units here. Okay, so you can plan accordingly which chapter you will be starting from tomorrow, one chapter or two, either one or either two chapter from first year and one from 12th. Yes, guys. So what is your next schedule, guys? Tomorrow, which chapter you will be starting? Write in your chat section. Come on. From first year syllabus, which chapter, which unit you will be starting for revision and for reading and in your study hour? 6:30 to 8:30. Should I take one session at 6:30 to 8:30? Then you will waste your time in that looking in that chapter. You looking into that session. So yes, write in the comment section after this video also what you will be doing tomorrow. What you will be starting tomorrow. Write in your comment section and how you are finding this video. If it is useful for you, then do share this video to all your friends and all your colleagues. And yes, do not forget to write comment that which chapter you are going to start tomorrow. I'll look into the comments personally and then I'll see whether you have you have chosen the correct way or correct chapter or not. Yes, Sandy is saying anatomy plus cell division and reproductive health. Okay, Sandy. So anatomy of flowering plants, you can expect around three questions from that. Cell division around three more questions, 3 to 4 more questions. Reproductive health is not that much important, but yes, still you can complete. You can follow this. See, she has selected, or I mean, Sandy has selected 2 chapters from first year syllabus. You can select if you have thorough with the, if you have already taken the drop, and then you might your concept might be clear. Then you can choose 2 chapters from second year syllabus. Yes, Rajana, Niharika, and all others. So this is how you can plan accordingly. And now this is our app. Download great discounts on our courses. You can join us live. I mean, you can join Spark Academy. That if you want that I'll be your mentor and I'll be your biology teacher in future. Okay. So you can join us right now. You can call on the number given flashing on your screen. And for that you need to download the app, and for that you will be getting great discounts on all our courses. So after that, you will be getting all handwritten notes, study materials, PYQs, mock test, everything free. So admissions are open right now. So what are you guys waiting for? If you require this type of guidance, then we have our 3 branches. You can come and come for classroom coaching also, and you can join us for online coaching also. So I'll be there offline also, online also. So you don't need to worry about your biology. Okay, guys. So yes. Right now you can try this number for joining regular long term is already it has been already started a long before, so regular batch or crash course also you can join. So link is given in this description box for this Spark store. So in that long term courses are there, crash courses, mock tests, previous year solutions, full length test and study material. Everything is there in your description box. So yes, guys, you can, if you want to join us, join Spark Academy, then you can follow. You can use this coupon code that is VAI. I'm writing here VAI10 and you will be getting huge discount on all our courses. Okay, so this is how a recorded session will be also staying in your app. So you can check those videos if you find any difficulty in any of the chapter after it has already been discussed. Then you can check all these this recorded videos. Yes, on daily basis we are taking on demand live sessions also. This is how we keep complete track of students, that how whether they are attempting test or not, what is their test report. You might have checked our Instagram page, that who is scorer for this last weekend test is already mentioned there. So what is this is our methodology. I should not explain this in detail because you already know what is my methodology. I keep on taking this YouTube sessions always. And yes, in that I hope your concepts are getting clear properly, and we are discussing PYQs on daily basis. Chapter wise test we are taking, weekend test, grand test, and also I'm personally mentoring, and personal mentoring is there for how they need to achieve their targets. For I'm giving them personal targets for weekend test also. So this is how hybrid coaching and online coaching you can opt. Hybrid coaching, that is classroom as well as online, you can join anywhere. But if you are joining for online, you'll be not having access to the classroom. So this is about the session. So yes, you can join us on Telegram also. This is our Telegram link. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for notification. This is what our results for last year. This is our graph. All the names with students' names. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. And do not forget to comment in the comment section below after the class also, yes, if you have achieved your target or not. Yes, Sandy, thank you. Thank you very much for joining the session also. Thank you so much, everyone. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, so that I'll come up with all these strategies again and again. Again, we'll discuss whether you have achieved your first 1 month target or not. Yes, thank you so much, everyone.